Welcome to Caribbean Kitchen with Siani. Today I will be making oats porridge. These are the ingredients I will be using to make the porridge. Oats, that's the regular oats, condensed milk, coconut milk, and whole milk. We also have vanilla, some spices, cinnamon powder, mixed spice, salt, and nutmeg. Now draw breaks right here, so let us stop right here. This is a Betty brand flavored milk. It has cinnamon, vanilla, and nutmeg. It is the first time I'm seeing this. I tasted it and I could taste the combination of the spices that are in it. Leave a comment in the comment box below if you have ever seen a flavored condensed milk or if you have ever used it. Even though the milk has all these spices in it, I am still going to use my spices in the porridge because I don't want the flavor of the porridge to be fading. I want it to stand out, so I'll be adding my spices. So let's go ahead and prepare our oats porridge. To start, we're going to put 2 cups of coconut milk over medium flame and allow it to boil. When it starts to boil, we're going to let it continue to boil for 5 minutes because it's natural coconut milk. So we normally boil the coconut milk for a period of time. While the coconut milk is getting ready to boil, we're going to mix the oats in some water. Doing this, it will prevent the oats from getting lumpy. This is ready to go in the pot. Now we're going to wait for the milk to boil. The milk starts to boil and it's going to boil for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes of the coconut boiling, this is what happens to the oats. So it's now time to put it in the pot. The oats mixture is not boiling as yet, and you can see how thick it is. This is indicating to us that it will need more water. After adding the water, we are going to continue to stir until it starts to boil. Oats porridge is one of the easiest porridge to prepare. The coconut milk that I used is optional, but because I want more flavor in my porridge, then I choose to use the coconut milk. So you can just use water instead of using the coconut milk. Going to let this boil for 15 minutes. Put the lid off. While the porridge is boiling, you can stir occasionally to ensure that there are no lumps and that it is not burning. So now the porridge is finished boiling. We're going to turn off the flame and add our salt and spices, then our desired sweetener, whether it be honey, sugar, or milk. We're going to add the salt and the spices. Give it a mix. So let's see how this works. One thing I can tell is that this is more watery than the other milk. It is not as thick. At the same time, I'm just going to add the whole milk and the vanilla. You should add the condensed milk based on how sweet you want the porridge to be. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Here you go. If you do not like your porridge this thick, you can add more water to the pot before you add the oats. And I'll just use a little cinnamon to garnish. Thank you so much for watching Caribbean Kitchen with Sienny.